Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively. To begin, active reading is crucial for understanding historical texts. Highlight important terms and main ideas as you go, and always ask questions to deepen your comprehension. After reading each section, take a moment to summarize it in your own words. This simple practice helps solidify the information in your memory and ensures you grasp the core concepts before moving on to new material. Next, let's talk about using visual aids. Timelines are excellent for sequencing events and understanding the order of history. Try drawing concept maps to connect different ideas and show how they relate to one another. Flashcards are also a fantastic tool for memorizing key dates, important people, and new vocabulary. These visual strategies can make complex historical information much easier to remember and understand. Now, let's dive into critical thinking. It's vital to evaluate both primary and secondary sources for any potential bias or different perspectives. Compare at least two different accounts of the same historical event to get a fuller picture. This helps you understand the nuances and complexities. Ultimately, you should aim to formulate your own informed interpretations based on the evidence you've gathered, strengthening your analytical skills. Finally, consistent review is key to mastering history. Make it a habit to regularly go over your notes and summaries. This helps you retain information over the long term. Try discussing historical topics with your classmates or family members to solidify your understanding. And don't forget to practice answering essay questions. This will prepare you well for any assessments and help you articulate your knowledge clearly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.